Reaction from Justice Mudgal. Let's cross live.
Finally, Supreme Court has given an interim order to the effect of BCCI's IPL conduct. Now, Sunil Gavaskar will be the interim president till a new president is elected, and there is no ban for any of the IPL teams. With us is Justice Mukul Mudgal, based on whose report the Supreme Court has taken certain decisions. Justice Mudgal, what would be your reaction to the decision, the interim order?
Well, I am extremely happy with the interim order. And I mean, you have no choice but to be happy with it apart from other things. But it's a very balanced order. It takes into account the interest of the people, the purity of the game, and the purity of the cricket administration. So it's an order which takes into account all possible interests and protects Indian cricket fully.
Some of the constitutional experts have said that probably Supreme Court had exceeded its brief in selecting a precedent's name. Probably Supreme Court could have given a panel of names, among which BCCI could have chosen one, or because Sunil Gavaskar is an outsider according to BCCI right now. He's not a part of the BCCI administration.
No, but I think this question should be asked to those constitution experts who have said such a thing. Because Supreme Court has a plenary power. It can pass any order in the interest of justice under Article 142.
Regarding the administration of a cricket body or anything?
The Supreme Court has an overriding power apart from all laws. So it can pass orders. Whether the order is right or not is second thing. But the jurisdiction is there.
So there is a demand for cleansing of the sport. Certain high players, like top players like Sunil Gavaskar, their entry into the cricket administration will definitely help.
Yeah, because look, nobody knows the game of cricket better than a cricketer. And Mr. Gavaskar has played cricket for a long time. That apart, he has been an expert commentator for a long time, though he had his hands shackled by the BCCI contract. But knowing the cricket fully well, and he'd be a good person to see that the cricketing aspects are well taken care of.
Yesterday, Supreme Court had talked about the possibility of two teams should not be included in the IPL 7. Would you say that it's a step backward, because yesterday Supreme Court's observation was different from that of today?
No question of it being a step backward, but because that was only a tentative suggestion. I told you yesterday also, it's not an order. And they have, after giving the tentative suggestion, consider the pros and cons and passed an order. There is nothing wrong in that. There's no stepping back. Supreme Court hadn't passed an order and withdrawn it.
Now Supreme Court would be giving its verdict on 16th of April, based on your observation and the report that includes Mayappan, his role in betting and match fixing.
I cannot predict what the verdict would be, so why don't you wait till 16th of April? Okay.
And the interim order itself is a vindication of the probe findings.
Well, I think for you to judge. I wouldn't like to comment on the merits of my own report.